Namaste friends, Guruji this side from Trading Emotion channel. Welcome to you all for today's my intraday trade setup. Yesterday morning I couldn't able to do detailed analysis on Nifty or Bank Nifty, but I posted a short video in YouTube in the morning around 8 o'clock. Then in that the one message was very much clearly I mentioned that the buying was very poor. In fact, in Nifty and Bank Nifty, the buying was very poor. So see, whenever this type of poor buying, my request, don't go with this poor hands, that weaker hands. They don't know where they will book. Okay, they don't know where they will book their profit. That's the big problem of this weaker hands. So I expected the morning there could be a sell-off, then in the afternoon after the budget there could be a mean reversal kind of thing. But that didn't happen yesterday. And this market profile clearly given all the information. Almost 11 o'clock I posted the day low is weak. Clearly I mentioned in the morning Nifty and Bank Nifty day low is weak. That means this whatever the trade initiated in the morning, those people don't have a confidence on their position. That is the main focus. We have to look into the poor hands buying, weaker hands buying. Okay, wherever, if weaker hands selling also, weaker hands buying also. So in the afternoon I'm not bullish from the morning. Then I was waited for the mean reversal. Why? Because I have a clear information from the market profile, only market profile. See, I am not using any other indicator here. I am not plotted any other measurement. I am not plotted any other OI data, nothing. I just look into this number A to M. This A to M, many information every day providing me, and based on that I am posting in Telegram also. Those information not my own. Those informations are these where I get from this market profile chart I am posting. So again saying I'm going to start a session on coming very soon on market profile. That is also I am planning for this next week, next second week of February onwards. I am going to start market profile basics courses. That could be a everyday 1 hour session in the evening, late evening, almost 8 or 9 o'clock will start. The fees is fixed on 2,990. 2,990 is a fees. Very transparent. I am very transparent. So anyone wants to join this course, please ping me in WhatsApp through WhatsApp or Telegram. Don't call me on this number 9940 Okay, you note it down this number and call me if you want to learn market profile basics. So the cost, everything was explained. This you can learn and earn. Learn market profile and earn money. That is the view we are going to take it forward hereafter. Okay, what could be the today's my intraday trade setup on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Quickly I will explain. Say SGX Nifty or 70 point something, a gap down opening was seen, is visible now. So but if any gap down below previous day low, then 17,400 any acceptance, 17,400 on board on Nifty future. This is 30 minutes time frame chart. Any acceptance below day low. What is the day low level? Day low is almost around 17,470. Any acceptance below, if gap down also, any rejection from this particular territory, you can short towards the downside target. 17,000, this low you mark, and some interesting message is coming from this is a non-migration POC as per the market profile. This is non-migration POC. This is a poor selling, this K period high. So what is this two territory? This is almost 17,790 and here 17,885, so these are the two territory unfinished business. So these are the two territory market how to visit. We don't know when. If market gap down, then any acceptance inside yesterday's profile, then we can target this directly. Why? See, I will do one thing. This is called a split profile. I will merge this profile. Then you will get a why I am saying if market entering into this particular profile. See the market profile, already we have a students telegram channel. Please click the like button, please subscribe and share our channel to maximum subscribers. I need maximum like. Then only I will get motivated. Then I will give more information on market profile and how to trade, how to select the strike price, everything. See, these are the three anomaly, 1, 2 and 3. So this structure is poor structure, fully emotional. See, yesterday was a fully emotional day. One is our budget. Ma'am was presented budget in the morning. Then there is a huge negative news rumor going on in Adani group of companies. So everything was collapsed in the afternoon. Then the sell-off came. They don't know where to stop. That's why the sell-off came. But this sell-off not because of the news. Why? Previous day itself we noted that the buying was not happening from the stronger hand. Not in the stronger hand. Weaker hands buying. So that market how to clear. That is why we in the morning, whatever the chart speaking with us, that what chart providing the information with us, that is we providing to you people. Okay. This is Nifty. What about the Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty, again, Bank Nifty is a poor low. Bank Nifty, how to clear this particular territory? Again, Bank Nifty also poor structure, yesterday structure, non-migration POC at 41,430. This is only one information getting from the Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty low is pakka, poor. So here any gap down and acceptance, then we can directly look into this non-migration POC level, or flat opening start coming down, then directly you can short towards clearing this odds and more falls on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty more weak than a Nifty. Bank Nifty is more weaker. So these are the information we are getting from market profile. I am not looking any long. If market opening flat, I am not looking any long in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So till that I will wait till whether they are clearing these poor hands, where the emotional sellers, the structure. So I won't get into the long side. I will plan for short the market if market getting any information in the live market. So gap down cases, if market opening holding, then market is moving up, then there could be a target. Flat opening coming down, then this could be the target. So plan your trade setup accordingly. Watching our channel, please comment your valuable feedback in comment box. Maximum subscribe, maximum spread our channel, our market profile to all your friends and relatives. Thank you very much.